welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be sharing with you an update on how I protect and take care of my new Pochette Metis. So I ordered 2 inserts as well as hardware stickers for the Pochette Metis bag, and it took about 2 to 3 weeks for them to arrive, and I bought them locally on this platform in Singapore called Carousel. This carouseller was selling the inserts for $30.20. As for the box of hardware stickers, I got them for $30, which is rather pricey. I'll explain later. We'll start off with unwrapping these 2 inserts. I ordered these 2 inserts in red color, and I had the choice of choosing how many pockets I wanted as internal compartments. So for the larger one, I chose to have 1 large wide compartment instead of 2 or 3 or on both sides. I just needed 1 because the Pochette Metis already has so many compartments, so I don't see the need to have even more. There, it fits perfectly. As you can see, the middle one fits perfectly, but the front one is a little too small. I already measured it, and it is about 2 cm smaller than it should be. So I already messaged the supplier, and the supplier will be sending me a new one, but it'll take 2 to 3 more weeks of waiting once again. Oh well, I'd rather get a perfectly sized one than one that is ill-fitting. Okay, moving on to the hardware stickers box. Alright, I must say I got a bit excited, and I already opened the box and put the hardware stickers on. But I packed them in again, and I'll be showing you how I saw it when it first came. In this box, they provide forceps. This is very good and a surprise because I thought I was just paying for the stickers. Having already put the hardware stickers onto my bag, I realized it was a very difficult process, and I'm so glad they provided these forceps because when fingerprints touch the sticker, the fingerprints will stay, and you don't want fingerprints on the inside of your hardware sticker. Otherwise, it defeats the purpose of a smooth look for the hardware, and you'll see different dots or prints. These are quite special. They are, I don't know what you call them, but plastic coils, and you are meant to wrap them around these hoops, but I don't think I'll be doing that because it might make the bag look tacky, but I guess it's a nice to have. I didn't expect it. They also provided these patch installation cleaning kits, and they say it's suitable for cameras, phones, and laptops. It also gives you some instructions, and I've already opened 1 pack. Okay, so they gave 3 packs. What a surprise again, because I was just expecting hardware stickers. So in this pack I already opened, they provide a small cleaning cloth, like a spectacles cleaning cloth. I'd say the quality, when you first look at it, it feels like a spectacles cleaning cloth, but when you actually wipe it, there are a few fibers that come out, so I won't say it's very good. But, well, it's a surprise, it's a free gift to me because I didn't expect it, so I'll deal with that. And it comes with wet wipes. These remove dust and are effective for sterilization. And here are the ingredients, if you can see them, but it doesn't really matter. It isn't like an alcohol wipe. It doesn't dry out quickly. It's just maybe water and maybe a little bit of alcohol, and it's definitely not a smooth material like the spectacles cloth. So if I clean, when I clean the hardware, the water stays on the hardware, which is not so good. I have to clean it again with something dry. Perhaps it's good to remove dust, but it's quite coarse. So I definitely have to use this and then the spectacles cleaning cloth. And finally, they provide these guide stickers. 3 guide stickers and a dust absorber sticker. So what I did was, okay, I'll demonstrate later, but this came quite handy when I tried to paste the hardware stickers. Okay, and this envelope is where they store the hardware stickers. I'm surprised that they gave me more than what I ordered because I only ordered the set, which they said came with 2 sets of hardware stickers. It's very faint, but you can see the outline of the stickers. If you look closely, you can see that this one has some air bubbles, and this one also has air bubbles. Whenever you use a piece, I don't think you can reuse it again, which is the problem, because if you paste it wrongly and you take it out and you want to put it back again, it won't be the same, and it will just make the hardware look like it has bubbles or has scratches, which then defeats the purpose, doesn't it, of a hardware protector sticker, because you want the hardware to look good. That's why you put these stickers. That's why I think it's very good that if you order protective stickers, you order sets that come with more than 1 pack. They also threw in 3 more for this part. This and this part and the back. So in total I had 3 of the front part, and 2 more front parts. But these 2 in Ziploc bags are a slightly different kind of protector sticker, and after trying out all 3 of the front ones, which didn't work out, that's why I pasted them back, I was so glad that they had these. Okay, I'll explain more later, but I just want to show you the rest of what is inside the box. It comes with this instructions manual of everything they provide you. This is very helpful because I know which stickers I can use for which parts. Like for example, number 7 of this part corresponds with this sticker, and the rectangular stickers are a little confusing, But okay, for example, 9. This one at the front part, I managed to find out which is number 9, even though they don't label it, by looking for the biggest rectangle. So I guess it's a benefit that if you can read Chinese, like this is 长, which is long, and 短, which is short. And yeah, very comprehensive. They have protective stickers for the sides, the strap, and the front. They also have protective stickers for the back. Very, very, very good. And also, yeah, the back zip. Finally, they have this manual in Chinese, maybe a brochure of how to paste the stickers. And it shows a guiding sticker being pasted onto the hardware sticker so that your hands don't touch the back of the sticker at all, and you can paste the protective sticker with ease. Yep, that's basically what it says, and the box comes with very nice, what do you call this? Tissue paper to just make the box a little cuter. We have now come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel for more. See you soon!